Okay guys, so you could just see the prep. The car is brand new, so it had 0 swirls. I checked it with my scan grip lamp, and the paint's in really good condition, so I'm glad about that. I just had to wash it, I deconned it, I dried it with eraser to get all the oils and the residue off, and now we're going to apply the coating. So I cheated a little bit. I already did the car with 2 layers, so I'm just going to show the, if the cars go by, the last layer on the engine, not the engine bay, on the, hoe zeggen ze dat? Motorkap. The bonnet. So this is a new day and it's a new applicator, so the first layer I always put a little bit extra because it's dry. So a couple of drops, and then I just put it in a couple of sections. So I'm going to do this section first. So this is my section I'm going to work, and I'm just going to spread it first left to right. And as you can see, it's already going into the oil slick look. So it really flashes instantly, so you have to be really quick. Your application, that's everything. Then up and down. It's just to mainly ensure even coverage. That's it, it's thoroughly spread, and then you just take your cloth and you'll see it instantly buffs away, and that's it. You can feel it, it's a little bit grabby. If you're too early, when you put a towel on it and you make certain movements, you will see that you're still spreading the wet product. So when you see you're buffing it and it just disappears, that's when you're right on time. When you're buffing it and it doesn't remove and you have to put a lot of effort in it, you're a little bit too late, so you have to go a little bit earlier with your drying towel. And after the first pass, I usually, can you hold this?
Yes.
Man, if you I usually flip my towel to a dry side and go over it once more. You can feel it's a little bit grabby now. And you just go over it once more to ensure you don't get any eye spots. And you just repeat that section by section until you have the entire car covered. That's it.